Hi! Press the bell icon on your YouTube app to get instant updates from Put Chutney.
Hey guys, this is Falun Shinoy and I'm at IIT Kharagpur for Spring Fest. I'm under the tree of knowledge. I'm going to borrow some knowledge from this tree and try to debunk some stereotypes. So can you describe a typical IIT student?
Intelligent people.
Intelligent.
They don't know anything other than studying and all.
Don't do anything other than studying.
No, actually, they have done studying the main part of their life. You know, the 11, 12.
Yeah. What were you doing?
And I was also studying. I don't know what they eat or what they do. I don't know. They are not humans. They are not humans.
They are humans. They have blood like us. They have 2 eyes, 1 nose, with 2 nostrils.
These people are the biggest desperates.
Many people say that North Indians swear a lot. Is it true?
I don't swear. But
You don't swear?
I don't swear. Maybe my mother will be watching this. Mom, I don't swear. Very
So what's the stereotype from UP, or from your region?
As you can see in my hand, right? So
Is this a gun?
this is not a gun. This is how we react when somebody says us something rude. That's how we react.
Pretty long actually.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
So what could be a stereotype for Kolkata then?
Machli, Rasagulla.
No, that-
Rasgulla.
Rasgulla.
They open their mouth too much. Rasagulla. So that the entire Rasagulla goes into their mouth.
Define Madrasi. 5 marks.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm an engineer.
Yeah.
I can give you a 2-page essay on Madrasi.
Tell. Who's the Madrasi?
Madrasis are Indians.
Okay.
Madrasis are living in the southern part of our country.
Madrasi are people who wear a lot of unnecessary clothes and who walk like this.
Madrasi is South Indian?
Madras is a South Indian. The whole South India is Madras, is it?
Yes. No?
Can you punish him? हाथ ऊपर कर दीजिए प्लीज मुर्गा बन जाइए प्लीज मुर्गा बन जाइए Let's do a quick fire question. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a keyword and you tell me which place in India comes to your mind first. Dark skin.
South.
Stereotyping.
Yeah.
So I'm a South Indian.
There are exceptions. Fair. Everyone has something that is dark. I have my hair.
You have your hair and a beard and if we go downstairs you have a
I
chappal.
I have a belt that is.
Can you show your belt?
Oh, right now.
Beautiful girls.
Tamil.
Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Dark skin.
No comments.
What's the funny stereotype that you have heard about South Indians?
About food.
About food.
How they eat.
I mean, they are fighting with food. They just smash everything like
Okay.
curd and
Okay.
sambar,
Okay.
rasam.
Okay.
They mix everything and just smash it. We thought that they are fighting with food.
So this is not a stereotype. This happened in front
This-
of you.
yeah.
If you think South Indians eat like this, comment down below. It's sweets.
Sweets, Kolkata.
Kolkata, West Bengal.
I've heard that girls from Kolkata are really good. How true is that?
They are sweet.
They're sweet. What? Like rasgulla?
Haven't tasted one, so I can't tell you.
What? The girl or the rasgulla?
Rasgulla. Oh, we
Beautiful girls.
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Yeah.
Why? You went there and you saw
Yeah.
beautiful girls.
I have been to Mumbai.
देखिए इस शख्स को ये मुंबई जाके ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल्स को देख के आया है.
Once a teacher of mine told me in class that how Bengali people are so fond of fish.
Yeah.
He just told me that whenever they just have very small amount of fish or something, but they have to make it last for a long time.
Yeah.
So what they do? They take their rice
Okay.
and take that machi
Yeah.
and they just eat rice.
Okay.
They just smell machi. They just eat rice. They just smell machi.
Spicy food.
Kerala?
Kerala.
Andhra.
Andhra. Finally, somebody. Right answer. Andhra. What do you like in Andhra?
It's always biryani, veg biryani.
You eat veg biryani? That's not biryani, dude. That's pulao. You are insulting biryani. Party.
Party. Bombay.
Bombay. Not Goa, bro. Go. Okay. थप्पड़ मारिए सिर्फ थप्पड़ मारिए. गोवा नहीं बोलने वाले को थप्पड़ मारना चाहिए. Drugs. Every hostel what?
Every hostel in
No.
engineering college.
You're generalizing.
Yeah.
Stereotyping.
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 Exactly.
So that was IIT on stereotypes. So like this video
Comment cheyandi.
to Put Chutney.